Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, that is mevalonic acid pathway. Mevalonic acid pathway, or we could say that biosynthesis of isoprenoid compounds or acetate mevalonic pathway. Okay? Actually, several thousands of different molecules from various plants have been isolated and characterized. You know how many molecules? Several thousands of the different molecules from various plants have been isolated and characterized. So, in spite of its varied structure, it is found that a few pathways synthesize all of them. Actually, isoprenes could be regarded as a fundamental building block for the isoprenoid compounds, as well as many steroids as triterpenes. Okay? The acetic acid was involved in the synthesis of cholesterol, squalene, sterol, and rubber. The use of methyl and carboxylic labeled acetic acid with the animal tissues indicated that the methyl and the carboxylic carbons alternated the skeleton of cholesterol and squalene, and that the lateral carbon atoms all arose from the methyl group of acetic acid. The discovery of acetyl coenzyme A, the so-called active acetate, gave further support to the role of acetate in the biosynthetic processes. And finally, the mevalonic acid and the demonstration of its incorporation by living tissues into those compounds possibly formed from isoprenes units was reported. Mevalonic acid, which is 3,5-dihydroxy-3-methyl-valeric acid, is a 6-carbon acid, and as such is not the active isoprene unit which forms the basic building blocks of the isoprenoid compounds. During the next few years of the research, it was established the 5-carbon compounds for which biochemists had been seeking so long was isopentenyl pyrophosphate by the decarboxylation and dehydration. Steroids, carotenoids, gibberellic acid are some of the members of polymeric isoprene derivatives. Now, mevalonic acid upon phosphorylation is transferred into the phosphorylated isoprene, which undergoes subsequently polymerization. Okay. All green plants are able to generate linear isoprenoids in this synthesis. The terpenes with more than 5 isoprene units are fairly widespread, but a lot of the simpler terpenes are limited to some plant groups. Sesquiterpenes are common in most, but all occurs in higher plants. Okay. Steroids are triterpenes or triterpenoids. Triterpenes are a group of molecules that contains 30 carbon atoms. The triterpenoids are generated by the polymerization of 6 isoprene units. Actually, steroids are found in both gymnosperms and angiosperm. And the terpenoids are hydrocarbons with one or more carbon-carbon double bond, while the triterpenoids are oxy-containing or oxygen-containing analogues of the terpenes. Now come to this pathway. This is an pathway which is starting from the acetate, and acetate is reacting with an acid coenzyme A, and it makes a acetyl coenzyme, and acetyl coenzyme is converting into the acetoacetyl coenzyme, and acetoacetyl coenzyme is converting into the beta hydroxy beta methyl gluteryl coenzyme. Okay, beta hydroxy beta methyl gluteryl coenzyme is reacting with the NADPH2 and makes an compound that is mevalonic acid. Whenever the mevalonic acid is reacting with the ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate, and whenever mevalonic acid and adenosine triphosphate is reacting with each together and makes another compound that is 5-phosphomevalonic acid, and whenever the 5-phosphomevalonic acid is reacting with the ATP or in the presence of ATP molecules, it makes another compound that is 5-phospho-3-phosphomevalonic acid, and 5-phospho-3-phosphomevalonic acid is converting into, after the reaction, in the 3-azopentenyl pyrophosphate. 3-azopentenyl pyrophosphate is interconvertible into the 3,3-dimethyl allyl pyrophosphates. Okay, 3-azopentenyl pyrophosphate is converting into the generally pyrophosphate isopentenyl pyrophosphate. Okay, Genoyl pyrophosphate is reacting with the isopentenyl pyrophosphate and make finally farnesyl pyrophosphate. Okay, this is general pyrophosphate, and finally it makes the farnesyl pyrophosphate, which is an sesquiterpenoid. Okay, so this is the mevalonic acid pathway. Hope you understand. Thank you.